We often measure recovery in ways we can see. A cast coming off, a scar beginning to fade. The body has a remarkable visible timeline for mending itself, a clear path from injury to wholeness that the world can witness and understand. We track its progress, celebrate its milestones, and anticipate the day when all outward signs of trauma have disappeared. But there is another kind of healing, one that unfolds in the quiet, unseen spaces within us. This is the recovery of the heart, the spirit, the mind. It doesn't follow a predictable schedule. It has no visible markers to chart its journey. Emotional healing is a quieter, slower, and far more intricate process. It's a landscape of subtle shifts, of moments that feel like one step forward and two steps back. It lives in the heavy silence of a room, in the unexpected weight of a memory, in the gentle, almost imperceptible return of light to the eyes. This internal mending asks for a different kind of strength. It asks for profound patience. Patience with the process, patience with the setbacks, and most importantly, patience with ourselves. It is nurtured not by grand gestures, but by small, consistent acts of self-compassion. The ritual of a warm drink, the catharsis of putting words to a page, not for an audience, but for the simple, powerful act of release. It's about creating sanctuary in the everyday, finding solace in the mundane. We must learn to honor this invisible work, to give it the same legitimacy and care we afford a physical food. It requires us to listen deeply to what we need, not what we think we need. Sometimes that means stillness. Sometimes it means taking the smallest, most tentative step forward. It's about understanding that healing is not a race to the finish. So, be gentle. Allow the quiet work to continue deep within. Trust that, just like the body knows how to knit bone and skin back together, the spirit also has its own innate wisdom for finding its way back to peace. Allow emotional healing its own.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.